All right, let's dive right into a major development that's happening at the intersection of technology and journalism. And believe me, this one could fundamentally reshape how news is actually made and, well, how we all consume it. So, here's the headline. A new global initiative is officially launching to bring artificial intelligence directly into the newsroom. But look, this is way more than just a new piece of software. What we're talking about is an entire educational framework, really, designed for an industry that is navigating some pretty significant changes right now. It's called the OpenAI Academy for News Organizations. You can think of it as a dedicated learning hub, a place where journalists, editors, and publishers can get practical, hands-on experience with AI. And this isn't just a bunch of theory either. It's designed to be practical from day one. The Academy is offering on-demand training, courses like AI Essentials, and it's providing real-world use cases for research and reporting. It even includes open-source projects that newsrooms can just grab and adapt right away. It's pretty much a ready-to-use toolkit. Now, a huge focus of this whole project is what they're calling responsible use. And what does that actually mean? Well, it's about helping newsrooms build the necessary guardrails, the internal policies and ethical frameworks, to navigate all the complex questions that always come up with powerful new technology. So what's the real mission driving all of this? The big goal here is to address a pretty fundamental need for journalism in our society. The whole mission is really rooted in this one core belief, that reliable, fact-based reporting is a pillar of a functioning democracy. So this initiative is designed specifically to support and strengthen that absolutely essential work. And the potential scale here is, well, it's massive. A key part of the mission is to connect the more than 800 million people who use ChatGPT every single week with high-quality information from trusted news outlets. It's all about bridging that gap between AI platforms and professional journalism. The Academy seems to be tackling the two-sided nature of AI's impact head-on. It acknowledges the really valid concerns people have around things like trust, accuracy, and of course, jobs. But at the same time, it's aiming to help newsrooms unlock some pretty significant benefits, like becoming more efficient, doing deeper data analysis, and finding new ways to conduct investigative research. Now, an initiative this ambitious requires some serious collaboration. It's powered by a coalition of some of the biggest players in the industry. The effort is being spearheaded by two heavyweights in journalism support, the American Journalism Project and the Lenfest Institute for Journalism. And this isn't some new relationship. The Academy is actually built on years of work they've already been doing to help local news adopt new technologies. And beyond those core partners, there's a really broad coalition involved. We're talking major global publishers like Corp, the Financial Times, and Axios, alongside key industry groups. And together, they're providing content and expertise in over 20 languages, which makes this a truly global effort. So what's next? Well, the launch is really just the beginning. The roadmap they've laid out points towards some pretty significant expansion from here. Over the coming year, the plan is to systematically build out the Academy's offerings. That means launching more specialized courses, publishing more real-world case studies so newsrooms can learn from each other, and eventually introducing live programming. Ultimately, what this initiative really does is provide a framework to help news organizations navigate the future. But it leaves the entire industry, and all of us really, facing a crucial question. Will AI become the journalist's most powerful tool or its greatest challenge? Thanks for joining us for this explainer. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.